Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Land Rover Discovery 4-key fob. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is a common type found at most hardware stores. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver to help with opening the fob. Make sure you have a well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small black button on the side of your fob and press it to release the emergency key blade. Pull this blade out. Next, use the emergency key blade itself, or your small flathead screwdriver, to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up, as this is usually the positive side. Gently remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing upward, just like the old one was. Try to avoid touching the battery's face too much. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together firmly until you hear them click securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.